There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Na 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 I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see.
With some wiggle room, here we are at Paynes Prairie Preserve, and it's just outside of Gainesville. It's really pretty here. The drive-in is like a little paradise. It's quite lovely. Yeah, we're getting the hang of putting this thing up. It's taken us less and less time to unhook, drop the jacks, so we're feeling pretty good about that. Now it's just a matter of leveling. So we need some leveling indicators, I think.
Yeah,
we're trying to figure out what we need, because it's not being very difficult, and a couple of little levelers here and there, I think it's all we need to make it work. As soon as we get here, we see a lovely neighbor with a converted horse trailer. Horse trailers have their doors usually on the opposite side of RVs. So if you park to a horse trailer that's been converted into an RV, you're facing your neighbor face to face.
And that's more sad for them, because everywhere they go,
they'll be facing their neighbor.
You know, they're sticking their nose in everybody's
I
business.
know.
So it has to be hard for them.
So yeah, I know. It's something that probably people
sure.
don't think about when they convert trailers, where the door is and where the hookups are.
I'm sure they're making a lot of friends.
So we just saw this trail. It's a sidewalk, but it goes through the forest. We've seen these in many parks that are well developed, but we didn't bring a map or anything, and we thought that it was just going to come out on the other side. So no, it goes on and on. We'll see where we're going.
I saw one hop.
You saw
Daddy,
one?
it's over there.
Yeah. Is it a big one?
It's a fast one.
Oh, look at this little white bond. Be careful with him, though.
Aww.
Emma, you want to let him hold him too, but we got to let him go.
Oh, look how cute he was.
They found something.
They found something. We know where the sidewalk leads.
So,
Site map. Look at what we found.
Wow.
2.5 miles. That's a good one.
ooh, an alligator.
Those are a lot of alligators.
Bowling Bluff Trail.
Those are cute. And look, they're all right here. See, we can get a trail map up front. Oh, it's an amphitheater. Never seen one so thoroughly planned out.
And look, lakefront mall.
Everything you find in these places is you've never seen before. It's funny because we're just making an observation that it looks like what did you say?
One of those amusement parks that closed down. It just looks run down. It's got a dreary look to it.
But it's
people
not
haven't been
run
here.
down. Everything looks really good. It hasn't been cleaned up in a while, so it has this ghost town feel to it.
Yeah.
Looks like a ghost town. Oh, looks like a pit butt.
Those are all spider webs. Big ones.
Creepy spider web.
I know.
like this old home. I don't
What?
like this cemetery. It looks like a cemetery, but more spider looking.
Well, folks, today is a rain day. So on rain days, we hunker down and you know, we got bored of hunkering down, so we're gonna attempt exploring the park some more. So dinner is ready for when we come back. Emma's all danced out, and we'll see what we find. Come along. Oh my poor thing, it's terrified. So we think we have a plan for the hike. We're expecting the trailhead to be up here somewhere next to the lake, because the lake is on the left. This is not a very detailed map, so we're just kind of winging it.
That might be something.
Yeah, that might be it, huh? Let's go there. Is my hair wet?
Oh my god!
You see the great herring over there?
He's so cute. Let's go get him.
Oh, there it goes. Woo! Oh, you're looking at the tracks.
Yeah,
What are these tracks?
these are tar tracks.
Yeah, those are service vehicles coming through here. Yeah, I think we should let him go. I vote for letting the frog go. Isn't it pretty? I don't know what type of grass it is, but it smells awesome. This is so pretty. We're like in the middle of nowhere. We're down to crawl speed. This is decision time. Either backtrack or circle around. I think I saw a road on the map. Yeah, we got the road right there. So it's about a third of the way though, if we keep on going. Well, we got to see if there's a trail across the road. If there is no trail, then who knows?
We're lost.
No, I don't see an entrance to anywhere. No, we're not. Let's look at the map again and see. I'm trying to find this so that we can stay on the trail. But if there's no entrance on this side, then there's no entrance. That's the exit of the lake trail just right down there. So I think this must be the trail that's on the map. I'm gonna go take a peek. Leave the family up here for a second. Well, I definitely see a trail. It goes off in that direction. But I don't know if I'm feeling adventurous today. We might just stay on the road since it's clearly marked. I'm pretty sure that's it. I think down the street.
Let's go down the street.
I know.
We'll do it.
See that curve over there? That's where you guys can go up above. There he goes. So much for sore legs. Well, the rain is starting to come down now.
I know.
We're gonna get flooded away.
We're gonna have to swim home, huh, Emma?
Yeah. I don't want to get in.
Isn't this beautiful weather?
We're home. Wow, here's where that horse trailer camper was parked. They left just in time during the storm last night. This big branch just fell. It's like 20 feet long. This park is a little unkempt for our taste. You know, they don't give you your money back in state parks if you leave early. So we're gonna leave tomorrow anyway and miss out on half our stay here. It's because of that big branch right there. It's pretty rotted, it doesn't have one leaf on it, and it's got the green moss that grows when things die. Already, right there on that edge, a branch fell off. So yeah, before we damage our equipment, we've decided to go ahead and pick up and move on out. We're just afraid of something that severe going wrong, because that'll set us back thousands of dollars and months back. And we just got done. We'll see what happens. You know, we could change our mind. We've decided to pull the trigger.
We're leaving. Good night.
We were gonna stay one night longer. After watching the host clean up that campsite next to us, we thought about going to the front and just basically saying, hey, do you have another campsite available that maybe doesn't have trees that are about to fall like this one? Brian spoke to the host, and I guess there's some kind of Gainesville rule as a city.
It's the city. They protect their trees. They only trim so much, and he said they just came through and took a load of stuff out.
You have to make these calls when you're full-time, as far as where you want to be, and if you want to lose the money that, you know, because we were supposed to stay here for a little bit, but we'd rather just, you know, they don't give refunds, so but we'd rather just go on down the road and not have our stuff that we just put together all torn apart. It may or may not happen, but it's been storming real bad. It's raining.
It's fine. It may not fall for another week, but it's coming down soon because pieces of it has already come down.
Yeah, pieces of it are on the ground.
So, you know, it's just a choice. You either stay or you go, and we choose to go.
So we'll see you at the next park.